Imagine Emily Carter, living in the vibrant city of Austin, Texas. By day, she's a brilliant software developer, but by night, she wrestles with a personal dilemma. The room buzzes with the chatter of friends, all of them raving about their latest health adventures on the ketogenic diet. As plates of carb-heavy food pass her by, Emily can't help but feel torn. Her love for weekend pancake breakfasts clashes with her curiosity about keto. Could she really give up her cherished morning ritual? The idea swirls in her mind, mingling with fears of potential health risks. Amidst her doubts, Emily finds herself at a crossroads when her adventurous best friend, Sarah, lays down a playful yet life-changing challenge. 30 days of keto, and I'll take you hiking in Colorado, Sarah promises with a grin. The spirit of the challenge sparks a glimmer of excitement in Emily. With a deep breath, she dives into the world of keto cooking, her kitchen transforming into a laboratory of low-carb experimentation. At first, each meal feels like a puzzle, missing its pieces of pasta and bread. But with Sarah's enthusiastic guidance, Emily begins to embrace this new culinary adventure. As the halfway mark approaches, Emily begins to witness a transformation within herself that she hadn't anticipated. With each passing day, her initial skepticism starts to waver under the undeniable evidence of her own well-being. Energized in a way she hasn't felt in years, Emily moves through her days with a newfound vitality. Gone is the bloat that used to drag her down after meals. Even more compelling are the numbers from her latest doctor's visit, an improved glucose level and a dip in cholesterol. These health victories stir a change in her heart about keto's potential. 30 transformative days later, Emily marvels at her reflection and the changes that span deeper than it. She's lighter, not just in weight but in spirit, riding a surge of energy that she never imagined possible with her old dietary habits. In a cozy corner of her favorite cafe, Emily celebrates her success with a delightful keto pancake breakfast. Across the table, Sarah shares in the joy, her eyes sparkling with pride. Together, they map out their forthcoming adventure to Colorado, a testament to Emily's perseverance and the newfound dedication to her rejuvenated health and lifestyle.